Okay, so the next step is integrating your WhatsApp with your Facebook ads. Now, WhatsApp is powerful, especially if you are global, selling products, all over the world. So go to your Facebook page. It's really easy to do. Go over to settings, go over to linked accounts. When you get over to linked accounts, scroll down. You're going to see WhatsApp. Click WhatsApp and just put your phone number in there for your WhatsApp. Make sure that's not connected to any other Facebook page. So hold on one second. All right, so I just put the number in there and it's going to send you a WhatsApp code. Hold on one second. All right, then you'll get this message here, connection request pending. It may or may not send you an SMS. In this case, this number is already affiliated with an account with our CRM. So we just integrated this a while back. So now when you go to boost a post, you're going to come to something like this. You see at the bottom, let me scroll down here. It says, let's take a look. Where is she at? Send WhatsApp message. So it's going to send a little link for them to easily click so they can send you a message through WhatsApp. Now, when you're in there, we can set up automated responses based on whatever they ask. So this is how you integrate WhatsApp. See a little WhatsApp button comes up right here. You've seen it before, probably on your own Facebook feed. So this is a great way to start the conversation off, but you do need to have a CRM of some kind of automation take place based on the keywords that they send you. That'll alleviate a lot of the stress. Like you see a lot of the common questions and we can do auto responses to respond for you so you don't have to do it. Hope this helps. I'll see you guys on the next one. That's this video for integrating Facebook ads with WhatsApp.
Like and subscribe and learn how to make money online at firewireads.com.